Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful Thursday. I'm sorry I can't be with you today, but I am able to do a math lesson with you. So let me show you what we are going to do today. You see the Rec and Rec on my screen, and we're going to use it to do 10 push-ups. Do you remember those? When we do 11 with 10, 1, or 12 with 10, 2. Now I'm going to show you how to do it with a Rec and Rec. Watch. If I wanted to show 11, I could push 10, 1. Just like that. Or if I wanted to show 12, I could do 10, 2. Or if I wanted to show 13, I could push 10, 1, 2, 3. 3. If I wanted to show 14, I could push 10, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know the next one's going to be easy because I won't even have to count because I know there are 5 red beads and 5 white beads on each row. Watch. 15, 10, 5. 15. All right. Now Miss Pamela is going to stop our video and you guys are going to take turns using the Rec and Recs to do your own 10 push-ups. Let's see how you do. I'll be right back to teach you another lesson in math. Okay, friends, so you're back. I know you did wonderful with the Rec and Rec. We're going to move on and we're going to talk about number bonds again.